Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal mi Prague. In this week's Parshas Balak, in the book of Numbers, chapter 24, verse 2, it says, "V'yisa Baalm es Aina Be'ar es Yisrael shochein l'shvatav ati alav ruach Elohim." And Baalm lifted up his eyes and saw Israel dwelling tribe by tribe, and the Spirit of God came upon him. Rashi says, "V'yisa Baalm es Ainav," and Baalm lifted up his eyes. Bikesh lahachnis b'hem ayin hara. He sought to put into them an evil eye, meaning jealousy. So there we see the three attributes of Baalm: ayin rav rechavav and nefesh rechava murim lamala. His evil eye, meaning his jealousy; his haughty spirit, meaning his pride; and his wide spirit, meaning his greed, which are mentioned above, and we see in Pirkei Avos chapter 5. My holy ancestor, the Maharal mi Prague explains, "Lahachnis b'mayin hora." That what does it mean he wanted to give them an evil eye? If that was not the case, why did he lift up his eyes this time? Since he did not do this previously. And then the three attributes, Gimel Midois of the three attributes of Baalm, Ayin Radich Sivyisam Baalm Esainav. The evil eyes, it says in Baalm lift up his eyes. Ruach Gavoa, the haughty spirit, Sha'amar Eid Hashem Latiti Lalechimachem, chapter 22, verse 13, it says, "Where is the Lord give me to go with you?" Elim Sarim Chashuvim, Rashi says you should send me with very important prime ministers and princes, Nefesh Rechava, and his greedy soul, he desired and money very much. That if Balak would give me a whole house full of silver and gold, as we see in Numbers 22:18, and Rashi explains there. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. Have a good Shabbos.